Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Today I want to talk to you about Freud's LM74 glue line rip blade, also available in a thin curved design and 8, 10, 12, 14 inches. This blade allows you to rip hard and soft woods. It has a positive hook angle for fast cutting and a TCG Grind for smoother glue line ready edge. With a perma coating or silver ice coating and Freud's innovative anti-vibrations technology that absorbs vibration to stabilize the blade, resulting in a quieter, smooth cut and extended blade life. The glue line rip blade produces extremely smooth, true surfaces for gluing and finish works, which will lead to no need of sanding or jointing after the cut. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud products. And remember to log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.